as
Leave it,
a
my
Jamaican
girl.
farmer in USA.
Only one man. So the turkey big there. They feeding now. See? They feeding. Everybody happy and nice. So we use the rain gutter to make the chicken feed. So I'm setting a rain gutter. Everybody feeding. Most of them I'll get for them. So what we use is the organic feed. You see there? Everything organic. We're ready to give them some callaloo strip. Organic. This is for the meat bird. So for the meat bird them down there, so all organic. Organic right so that's how we do it here on Bushman Farm. Follow and subscribe for more video. I'm out. One love.